Okay, for lifting the bike and putting it back down on the paddock stand, I like to hang onto this rail, but on my side here, keep it close to the hip. The handlebars on the bike are pointing straight ahead. So you can give it a nice, smooth, see, there she's down on the ground. And I can easily balance the bike like this. So then we want to make sure both of these arms are centered in the little lift points, and then we can just push down. Big shout out to this Paddock stand. It's barely big enough, like width-wise I have it as wide as it can go, and it's just barely, but it's also just right. And the stand is nice and solid. I can move the bike, it hardly moves. Okay, so now we're going to put her down. And you see how the bike stays where it is and the stand kind of rolls out of the way. Alright. Check both holders are in place. Just push down. One of the benefits of this is the handle tilts up so you won't get your handle pinched, and there's also little rubber things here that hit the concrete so you don't scratch up the paint. Okay, we're going to put her down. No problem whatsoever, and I continue hanging onto the side rail, maybe the handlebar, and ease her down onto the side stand. Okay, another point worth making, especially if you're doing it by yourself, it's easier to put a couple blocks of wood underneath the side stand. And you can see the bike, it still has some lean weighing down on there, and it would be easier to knock over, but it won't fall over like that. Yeah, I know, usually I center it a little better. Well, thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you like to see more videos and be notified, and thanks for watching.